We're just walking this rock property line here, folks, and seen this bottle down here, so I thought I'd come check it out. Right on the surface, it's an old Sussex soda bottle. Boss on the top, nice aqua blue color. Don't know what that mark is on the bottom. Looks like a P and a diamond. I'll have to check it out. Nice find. Real nice. Alright. Keep looking around here. Pop this out. I don't know, some sort of clip. Looks like a clip of some sort. See a spring in it. Yeah. Oh. Still moves. Kind of cool. Well, I'll keep it. Hey folks, I'm in an area here by this stream. There's a bunch of rocks down over this bank, and I found some debris in them. There's some glass and some pottery shards. But anyways, there's a couple, there's a cellar hole just up over the top here, over there a little ways, and then another one further back. There's a bunch of debris down over the other side of the bank as well. But it looks more like the like 50s and 60s stuff. There might be older stuff underneath it, I'm not sure. For now I'm going to poke around in these rocks and see what I can dig out of here. I'll get you back up if I find anything interesting. Whatever it would be, it's probably going to be like tiny, maybe some glass cork tops or some real small bottles that might have fallen down between the rocks and didn't get broke. Okay, I'll get you back up if I find anything. Hey, sure enough folks, look what I just uncovered. You see it there? Right there. An amber glass stopper. First time I've found an amber one. That is awesome. I'm happy with that. That just made this little adventure worthwhile right there. An amber one. Awesome. Oh, I like that. Okay. Get you back up if I find anything else. That's fine, folks. Check it out. Clay pipe in here. It's broke, but it looks like all the pieces are there. I gotta be careful getting it out of there. I don't lose any of it or break it more. Looks like there might be something engraved on it. And they're pretty good. There we go. Awesome. Okay, I'll put this away and get you back up if I find anything else. Well, me again. There's the water down there and the bank right there that I was just down over. The only thing I got out of there was that amber stopper and the clay pipe and a few cork tops off some blown bottles. I could have dug around there some more, but it's just getting hard going. A lot of effort for a little reward. But right up here, I'll show you this cellar hole right here. A little bit of debris in it I can see already. Come around the other side here. There we go. There it is there. Pretty good size one. The rocks all around it. Some junk in the middle of it there. Anyways, there's another cellar hole a little further up that way, and quite a bit of debris down over the little knoll here. We'll go check that out. If I find anything interesting, I'll get you back up on. one before. Just pulled out of this hole down here. Stepped on it actually. That one just rolled out, folks. It's machine made. It's a nice shape and a nice color though. Not much for embossing on it. Just this area right here. I already wiped it off a bit. There's no marks on the bottom. It's a liquor bottle of some sort, cork top. Probably from the 30s or 40s, I'd say. Yeah, it's pretty crudely made. I can see all the marks on the glass. Stretch marks. Or whatever they are. Something out of the mold anyways. Alright. Keep that and keep digging away. Well folks, I had other big cellar holes right up here. Right up over the knoll here. I'm down in amongst this stuff. Looks like it's from the probably the 40s. But check it out. Marble. I think that's number 20. Not turning out to be a bad little hunt. Finding some little stuff. Oh. Marble, a clay pipe, and a glass stopper so far. Alright. On to the next. Good day, folks. Hope everybody's doing well. Got everything cleaned up here. And got a whole mishmash of stuff. We got some artifacts over here and some bottles. We'll start over here with this Sussex bottle. I found this on that rock property line. I'm guessing there was probably some people lugging some rocks on, throwing them on that property line, and probably stopped for a break and had a drink and tossed this in the bushes. And I picked it up years later. And here it is. So anyways, Sussex used to be a mineral springs company, and they merged with a beverage company and became known as Sussex Ginger Ale. Well, they merged in 1929. And this bottle is the Mineral Springs bottle, and it's dated between 1923 and 1929. That's a nice bottle. This one here, I got at a different location. It's what they call a squat style bottle, the shape of it. There's no markings on it, other than this thing here. I'm assuming it's a liquor bottle of some sort. Cork top. It's probably from the 1930s or 40s. This little emerald green bottle. It's a nice shape, nice color. It's a screw top though, and it's all cracked. Little chip missing out of it. Probably from the 40s. And I'll probably chuck it because it's in not very good condition. This Uptown soda bottle, you can faintly see across here it says king size. The ACL's worn off it pretty good, which is too bad. It's the first time I seen one of these. Couldn't find any info online other than it's possibly from the 50s or 60s. Got the stippling on the bottom. Over to some older stuff. Got this clay pipe. In the video you see me find it in 3 pieces. I glued them back together. It was a nice fit. Got a D engraved on it. I don't know what that means. But the pipe style is from the mid 1800s. So it's probably mid or late 1800s. Got this amber glass stopper. It's got a chip out of it, probably where rocks had fallen on it. And I found that not far from that clay pipe, so it's probably from the late 1800s as well. And we got this big old ugly tooth. Probably a cow or horse or something. It's a big one. This clip still functions, sort of. No idea what it would have been from. If anybody's got any ideas, feel free to comment about it. We've got an applied lip top here. You can see where the glass ran down there. stretch marks in the neck here. Overall, they did a pretty good job on it, all things considered. And then we got marble number 20 for this year. All blue one. Put that in the marble jar. Lots of blue ones in the marble jar. And finally, we got these two shards, probably from the late 1800s, early 1900s. They fit together, actually. I'm not gonna put them together though, I'll just leave them like that. They're nice shards, I keep those sometimes. So that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the hunt and the video. Good luck, happy hunting. We'll see you all on the next one.